Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I might sound like I'm talking through a tunnel. My kitchen is going through a refurb, so you might hear a bit of echoing. Now if you're new here, I'm Carol, a nutritionist that's passionate about natural remedies and healthy living. Now I was contacted recently by a man who has been suffering from folliculitis for over 20 years. And he has scarring and hyperpigmentation on his scalp. Now this video is dedicated to him and anyone looking for a natural solution. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video on Anthony's experience using natural remedies to overcome his inflamed, scarred and itchy oozing scalp, I'll link it in the description below. Now, Anthony has some great tips that helped him, and I hope that they can help you too. Now, these are neem leaves, and they have been traditionally used in various cultures for the potential benefits in treating skin conditions, including folliculitis, acne, and eczema. Now, they possess powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help manage symptoms and even treat the conditions like I mentioned, the acne, eczema and psoriasis too. But we're focusing on folliculitis. Now, turmeric is another amazing natural ingredient renowned for its healing and anti-inflammatory properties. And when combined with neem, it creates a potent poultice that can help with folliculitis. Now, here's what you'll need. You'll need dried neem leaves and organic turmeric powder, as well as water or cold pressed organic coconut oil. Now first, you would take about a small handful of the dried neem leaves and blend it into a powder. You can use a coffee grinder or a blender to just blend it up. And then what you do is to take 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder and mix the powder with the neem leaf powder. You only need about a teaspoon of each actually to make one application, and combine them with a few drops of water or coconut oil to create a smooth, spreadable consistency poultice like the one here that I've prepared earlier. And that's it. You have a simple, natural poultice that you would use on your skin. Now, you can apply the poultice once a day to the affected areas and leave it on your scalp for about 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse off. Now, using this poultice once a day allows the active ingredients enough time to work on the affected area without overwhelming the skin, which could potentially cause irritation or adverse reactions. So once a day, less is more, and that's all you need for 20 to 30 minutes a day. You can make this in bulk and store it for up to 1 week. If you overdo it, you could potentially cause irritation or adverse reactions. Also, consistency is key. You should start seeing improvements in a few weeks, and this poultice can be stored in an airtight container. Like I said, I usually put it in a paste, the poultice in a mason jar to store, and I've used this really for my gum health as well, but that's in another video. Now, before you start, always do a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. And if you experience any irritation, stop using this poultice immediately. Also note that diet plays a crucial role in skin health as well. Anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats such as avocado, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts can help support your skin from the inside out. Now, avoid processed foods and sugars, which can also make a significant difference. Now, I just want to say thank you for watching, but always consult your healthcare provider if you have any open, broken skin on your scalp. But with that said in mind, please keep watching. Thank you for tuning into this video. I'm also offering 50% off neem leaves and organic turmeric. So you can click the link below to get that special offer and try it out and let me know how you get on with the results. I would love to hear. So thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone else who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural remedies like these for common complaints. And if you have a complaint you'd like to see a remedy for, let me know in the comments, and please share your folliculitis journey with us. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.